Hi, this is Lynn Como, and I'm excited to share with you the next kit of the month for October. It's called Comfort and Joy, and it's perfect for the traditional holiday season that's coming our way. I just want to let you know that I am in love with these papers and this kit, and you definitely want the workshop kit. There's so many good things that come in here that are exclusive. We have some exclusive pattern paper sheets, some die cut sheets that are which saves us so much time on having to do our own Cricut cutting. They're just punch outs that work so great, and I'm going to show you how I use them. Beautiful papers, and the embellishments here are beautiful gold punch outs, totally like a chipboard, a thin chipboard. Now, I will recommend that you also get the stamp set for Comfort and Joy, the Scrapbooking Stamp Set. You can see that I used it quite a bit, and it has thin cuts. Everything has a thin cut, and they're just gorgeous. So great to work with. The beautiful papers, you can see right here. Love them all, and they work so well together. And I've mixed it up so that you get to feel a change that's just not red and green for the holidays. And right here, you can see these are the coordinated colors of cardstock, and we are using everything. We have New England Ivy, Scarlet, which is a new color, Almond, French Vanilla, Black, and White Daisy. So let me just show you that there are items that you can purchase a la carte. We do use the Picture My Life cards. I love using them, and you can always add them to cards. But here you can see the beautiful sticker sheet. Those stickers really are lovely to work with, and they are gold, like a metallic gold as well. Let's see. And there is the stamp set that I was telling you about. And we will be using this one, but for cards, so stay tuned for that. So let's get right to it. Show you exactly what the artwork looks like for the kit of the month. This is pages 1 and 2, and I am incorporating an 8x12 flip flap. Now look at this beautiful tree. This is all punched out. You didn't have to do anything to it. But if I flip it open, it has another beautiful page underneath it for more photos. So this is page 1. Now I wanted to show you, do you see that beautiful stencil look? You also get a stencil in the workshop kit, and here it is. And we'll be using, you'll want to add this Solar Flare Stickles gel. Can you see that? It really is so nice to work with, and we just speckle it on with sponge, so you'll have a great glitter look, and it has cute little stars in it as well. But you can see how I've used that stencil quite a bit on some of the pages. So here you can see again how I added that stencil using almond ink and the Stickles gel. And over here and down here and over here, so you can see along, but it's just beautiful. I also used some of our liquid pearls in the center of the flower. So that's optional for you if you'd like. So these are pages 1 and 2, and once again, you'll want our 8x12 flip flaps. We brought them back. Everybody's been wanting them because they're great for holding documents inside an album. Here's the next 2 pages. I love this look. So beautiful. We have the Most Wonderful Time of the Year is stamped. You can see some of the gold punch outs. I added gold thread. I also did some of the liquid pearls here. This is a tag. I used the tag thin cuts to cut some of the Picture My Life cards. But here you can see the red carnation liquid pearls to be the holly berries. Really cute. And we also splattered our pages a little bit with some shimmer brushes in the red. These pages are just lovely. Here we have a nice mix of using the red, the green, and the gold together. And oh, I did forget to mention, but do you see this strip here? I'm also adding the scarlet glitter paper. But this Merry Christmas is a punch out. We didn't have to do anything. Love the Picture My Life cards. These pages are truly stunning. They're gorgeous. You can see some of the gold embellishments, and I added some gold gems just to pull it in a little bit more. On to our last two pages, 7 and 8. And here is where I added the diamonds that are the punch outs. But here you can see how we used the Stickles gel to add some texture to some of those diamonds. And I also added it to the tree. Just a sliver of the scarlet glitter paper, Picture My Life cards, stickers, punch outs, everything that you can imagine are being used on these pages. Aren't they lovely? I happen to really enjoy making those pages, and I want to show you that I'm also going to do cards. So if you want to join in on the online crop, that will be Saturday, October 24th. It will be all day, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's a $30 registration fee. And it actually starts, we open up the crop about a week ahead of time, and I do videos to show you how to create and prep for all of the pieces that we're doing. So this is the card stamp set for Comfort and Joy, which has some great thin cuts. Okay, so you can see I'm using them all. And look at these gorgeous cards. So I created this, and I did use the new embossing folder. Here's Merry Christmas. So you can see right here. Deck the halls. So I tried something different. I also used our red marker to color in the gold gems. So that's optional. Or if you prefer to be green, you can turn the paper over and use the green side. Isn't that cool? Noel. Love this, using the thin cut that was for Joy, for you to me. And I random stamped some of the holly leaves. Once again, I used that red marker to color in my gems. And then we will make this card as well. So there's 5 cards, and you will need an extra paper pack to do this. This is for the Comfort and Joy paper pack. And you can make 20 cards or 40 cards, depending on what you would like to do. But isn't this gorgeous? And I'm using the pearl paper. Our new pearl paper and our fancy border thin cuts are also being used on these pages. Here's that same card. I just wanted to show you, you could use paper, and this is the black ore. So if you like the look of black, you can add that as well. You can change it up if you have that. So these are the beautiful cards that we will also create, and the shopping list will have all of the details about the products that you need. This also is the Comfort and Joy card making kit that Close to My Heart has put together. This is optional for you of whether or not you want to do this. And let me show you where it is in the catalog. This comes with its own directions. So it's on page 22, Comfort and Joy, and it comes with the stamp set and thin cuts and the directions. And it also comes with the red liquid pearls to do these adorable little holly berries on the cards. So you have that option if you'd like to do these cards instead. And lastly, I just played with this today, and I thought it would be nice to do a Joy chipboard banner. You can lean this up against something if you want to put ribbon behind it, or a little holder behind it to hang on the wall, or just put this in a bookcase somewhere. But look how beautiful. So I'm using the other half of the paper pack. I used the pearl paper. Look what I did I used the thin cuts to create the poinsettia, and I used the gold gems, the gold thread, the gold ribbon that we're also using with the cards. So I'm really maximizing our purchase so that we use the same products again and again and again. So you can see, look how pretty the embossed folder looks with the pearl. Do you see how pretty that came out? I love playing around and trying out some different options of what we can do for the holidays. So I hope that this is something that you'd be interested in. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you on October 24th. In the comments below, you'll see my email address and my blog So I'll be back and talk to you soon if you have any questions. Thanks.